Hello students. So fractions we have started. Today we are going to understand what are like fractions, what are unlike fractions, and how do we compare the fractions, which one is greater, which one is smaller, right? So just focus on the board and listen to the explanation I give over here. Thank you. So kids, just focus on the board. In this video, I have made two slides actually. So watch the video fully till end. Okay, only then you'll understand. This is a very important topic actually. So the fractions which have the same denominator, they are called like fractions. For example, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7. But when the different denominators are there, then we say they are unlike fractions. For example, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 6. Now we have to understand how to convert the unlike fraction to like, right? We simply convert the given fractions to equivalent fractions having a common denominator which is actually equal to the LCM of all the denominators of the given fractions. You will understand this with the given examples. See the question, convert the fractions 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 5 by 6 and 4 by 9 into like fractions. So if we take the LCM of the denominators 2, 3, 6 and 9, it comes out to be 8 as shown. So we will convert each of the given fractions into an equivalent fraction with denominator 18, right? So 1 by 2 is equal to 9 by 18, 2 by 3 is equal to 12 by 18, 5 by 6 is equal to 15 by 18 and 4 by 9 is equal to 8 by 18. So the required like fractions are 9 by 18, 12 by 18, 15 by 18 and 8 by 18. Now let us understand how to compare. The general method of comparison of two fractions is, first one is method of cross multiplication, right? Say for example we have the question, compare the fractions 3 by 8 and 5 by 12. By cross multiplication we get 3 into 12 is equal to 36 and 8 into 5 is equal to 40. Clearly 36 is less than 40, so 3 by 8 is less than 5 by 12. See the next one, compare the fractions 5 by 9 and 6 by 11. If we cross multiply we get 5 into 11 and 6 into 9, that is 55 and 54. But 55 is greater than 54, so 5 by 9 is greater than 6 by 11. The second method used to compare the fractions is that we change each one of the given fractions into an equivalent fraction with the denominator equal to the LCM of the denominators of the given fractions. Now the new fractions are like fractions, right? So we can easily compare the numerator and tell which one is greater and which one is smaller. Say this simple example, we have 5 by 6 and 8 by 9, two fractions. So if we take the LCM of 6 and 9, we get 18. So we make an equivalent fraction, 5 by 6 is equal to 15 by 18 and 8 by 9 is equal to 16 by 18. Clearly 15 by 18 is less than 16 by 18. So 5 by 6 is less than 8 by 9. Same way we have another comparison, 7 by 12 and 9 by 16. So if you take the LCM of 12 and 16, you get LCM as 48. So we convert 7 by 12 is equal to 28 by 48 and 9 by 16 is equal to 27 by 48 as shown. And clearly 28 by 48 is greater than 27 by 48 because the numerator is more. So 7 by 12 is greater than 9 by 16. Simple. Now see the next important one. We have to arrange the fractions 2 by 3, 1 by 6, 5 by 9 and 7 by 12 in ascending order. That means smaller to bigger. So we take the LCM of 3, 6, 9 and 12, which comes out to be 36. So we can write 2 by 3 is equal to 24 by 36, 1 by 6 is equal to 6 by 36, 5 by 9 is equal to 20 by 36, 7 by 12 is equal to 21 by 36. So clearly we can see 6 by 36 is less than 20 by 36, which is less than 21 by 36, which is less than 24 by 36. So we write 1 by 6 is less than 5 by 9, which is less than 7 by 12, which is less than 2 by 3. So this is the ascending order of the fractions 1 by 6, 5 by 9, 7 by 12 and 2 by 3. So I hope the concept is very much clear. Now this is the second slide. You can easily see on the board and keep on revising whatever I have said, right? To compare fractions, I have already told you two general methods of the comparison. These two as shown on the board are very simple. See the first one, if we have the same denominator, then the one which have the greater numerator will be the greater of the two fractions. Second point is, if you have two fractions with same numerator, then the one with the smaller denominator will be the greater of the two. Goodbye.